The countdown clock is ticking. PayPal founder Elon Musk's private space company is set to make an historic launch following a rocket test on Monday. Here's CNN.
SpaceX is making history, successfully test firing the rocket that launched the first ever commercial space capsule into the International Space Station.
So far, only the U.S., Japan, Russia, and the European Space Agency have successfully sent spacecraft to the station. SpaceX hopes to be the first ever private company to dock. But HLN reports the Dragon space capsule will have to prove its worth.
The launch is scheduled for May 7th, but the unmanned rocket won't dock with the station unless it shows that it can properly maneuver while it's in flight.
The test was a stationary rocket firing. The craft itself didn't go anywhere, and even that didn't go off without a hitch. There was an hour delay caused by a computer error. The Register reminds us the company's had a lot of setbacks on its road to the ISS. Liftoff was supposed to happen today after it was supposed to happen on February 7th, after it was expected before the end of last year. The Dragon has already proved it can take off and land, but the software required to get the craft to pull in alongside the fast-moving ISS and dock with it is tricky stuff. If all goes well, Monday's launch will carry supplies to the station. If not, Musk says the company will just learn from its mistakes and try again. SpaceX has a $1.6 billion contract with NASA for 12 space station deliveries. But a writer for Ars Technica says there's more at stake here than money. The renewed availability of the ability to send cargo back down to Earth after the retirement of the shuttle will make a huge difference in station operations. This carries an enormous political payload in an election year because of the Obama administration's attempt to jumpstart a commercial orbital space launch industry in the face of heavy Republican opposition. The company won't be carrying crew members to the station anytime soon. Carrying actual astronauts will remain the responsibility of the Russian Soyuz until at least 2017. For Newsy, I'm Megan Murphy. Multiple sources, The Real Story.